Hey guys, I'm Milan with 2 Pro Beats, and in today's video I want to show you how you can add some little cool transitions to your beat breaks using UVI Whoosh. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe and hit the like button. Let's get into it. Okay, so Whoosh is a library made by UVI that works inside Falcon or the UVI workstation. I have it in Falcon, and you can use it to create some really nice transitions for your beat breaks. First, let's go a bit through the interface. On top, you have the preset manager. You have a lot of presets, which is pretty nice when you're trying to find something really fast. Then you have the duration. Here you can set the duration of your risers, transitions. You can sync it or you can have it in time. You can lock it so it will keep the same length no matter what you're doing. And we have a cool little feature here called movement. You have mono, stereo, wide. Then you have a pass by, so it's moving from the left to the right or vice versa. Then we have our 3 sources, and you have a lot of options for those sources. As you can see here, we have a huge list of samples that we can use. Volume, pan, a tilt EQ, pitch. Then we have a vowel filter that can be applied on selected sources. We have an effect section with EQ, delay, reverb, and a pretty nice limiter. On this main window, you can change the envelope preset for individual sources or for all. For example, if you want to create a rise, just select one envelope from the rise category. That's it for the interface. Now let's hear it in action. Let me play you the section of the song that I want to include a transition. So is the intro going into the first verse, so I need to add some movement between those 2 sections. I know that I want to have the duration set at 2 bars, just like that. Let's lock it and forget about it, and let's move through a few presets. Now that I found a riser that fits that section, I want to add one more whoosh and look for something like an impact. Now I would like to create my own transition without using presets. As you can see, you have mute and solo for all the sources. Let's go and select the first one. Let's go with the white noise. Let's keep it mono. You have 3 different filter types right on the main interface for each source. Let's keep this one. Let's try the first texture. Let's go with strings, cello. Now let's add a different texture. Go with magic. Let's create some movement within this transition. Now let's hear it in context. It's that easy to create a custom riser, a custom transition that no one else has. And that's really important when you're trying to stay original, when you're trying to be creative. I use this technique when I'm mixing beats with vocals, and I do beat cuts, beat breaks, just to add some sort of excitement to that break. I use Whoosh for transitions, for risers, drops, and other special effects. Yeah, so this is UVI Whoosh. I hope that you enjoyed the video. If you did, please subscribe, hit the notification button, drop a like, leave a comment, suggestions, follow me on Instagram, follow me on Facebook. See you guys next time. Cheers.